So Argentina is the first round of the 2023 FIM Motocross World Championship, and although it seems like it takes forever to get here, it is well worth the journey once you arrive. We're in Villa la Angostura, which is a beautiful little resort town in the Neuquén province, and it's known for its incredible mountains, lakes, forests, and it really is a firm favourite for much of the MXGP paddock. And I don't think it's just because of its surroundings. It's the track layout, and I also think the passionate Argentinian fans really lends itself to a fantastic weekend of racing here. Welcome to the MXGP of Patagonia, Argentina.